Okay, so I just got this Honda generator from over. Tell you a little bit about it. I got it over across the street from a neighbor. He didn't want it no more. Supposedly it doesn't generate power. So what I'm gonna hopefully do is I'm gonna get this thing running. I know it runs because it ran over there, but I'm gonna put some new gas in it. All right, we're gonna put some. I think the gas is off right now. Yeah, it is off. I'm gonna put some gas in it. I drained the gas out last night. Gas was really bad, so just gonna get to it. I don't have very much because I'm limited on gas, but hopefully this will be enough just to get it running. It is not very much at all. So it's cold outside. I don't know. It's like 20 degrees outside, 25 degrees. So it's a little chilly, and I don't currently have a door because it's not a fancy. I mean, I do, but I don't have a heater. So not very fancy. All right. Put this back on. I gotta get this hose back on, or try to at least, so I can actually get this thing running. This is gonna be a pain. Alright, never mind, it's not that bad. Okay. Let me make sure everything's on. Alright. Oh shit. Don't want it to leak out. That's never good. Oh, I think I ripped the hose. God damn it. Yeah, I did. I'm gonna have to replace the hose. Great. That's always fun. Oh my god. Bro. What is actually going on? Okay. Currently got this hose on. So, hopefully, I'm obviously going to replace that hose eventually. But right now, my goal is just to get this thing started. Okay, I'm probably going to try choke just because. See if I can just get this thing running.
Oh, pain. Can't lose that. I know she wants to run. She just, sometimes she don't want. Choke off. So maybe it's because it was how you saw the beginning of the video. Maybe I had any gas. Maybe that's why. And as you can tell, it's barely running. It's like barely running. I'm gonna go see if this thing generates power. I'll run inside real quick and grab a charger. I'll be back.
So another reason why it might not be running right is because the air filter's off. I forgot the air filter's not on there. But because as soon as I turn it off of the choke, it dies out, and I think maybe it's because it's getting too much air when I open it. So I think that's the air filter needs to be on there. Anyways, I got the charger. Let's see if it charges. Because the guy said when he had bought it, it didn't generate power. So I didn't buy it. I got it for free. But all right, we'll see. We'll see if she generates power.
It generates power. I just plugged my phone into it and it generates power. So I am going to try to do that.
is on. Let's see how she runs. She might take a second. Might take a few goes. And if it takes more than what I think, then I'll have to open back up the air box real quick and spray some. It's going back in like crazy. Oh, it might wander on there. You can hear it. Yeah, it's almost there. Oh my God. Ow. Motherfucker. That fucking hurt. Oh, I can still hear. Holy shit. That was close. Actually, it might actually be running how it's supposed to. I don't know. That was pretty good. Thank you guys for watching.